Alright, so we are going to install a carbon fiber spoiler on my M3. So I haven't unboxed it yet. We were going to remove this little lip spoiler. It should only be adhesive, I hope, and then install it with this new carbon fiber spoiler. So I will unbox it now and we will get to installing. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks really nice. Really nice. So this should match my front lip pretty well. This is the high kick spoiler, just off of eBay, 110 bucks. Now let's get to removing the other one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape off the edges of the spoiler, not on the spoiler but on the car, just so I don't scratch any paint when I'm using this. This is two cheap handles that I got from Walmart with some 50-pound test spider wire fishing line. So that should be able to cut through the adhesive pretty well. Just make sure to go slow. If you go too fast, you will end up burning through the wire. But it shouldn't have any harm to the vehicle's paint. It explains why I put blue painter's tape on the edges. Now I'll go back through, just because it probably resealed itself. All right, now it should pull right off. Cool. Should work well. All right, so what this is a eraser wheel, adhesive remover wheel. You can get it on Amazon for about $4. Used it for many different things, including removing emblems, removing leftover adhesive on anything on your paint. It doesn't hurt the paint as long as you're gentle with it. You can overheat, but it's not very easy to do. All right, so we're gonna test fit the wing and see what I need to do to get it centered. I'm just kidding, guys. The good one is right here. So we are good to go. I just taped up the back side of it. We are going to peel it off and get it centered. I'm gonna test fit it one more time, just to make sure everything would work. Because it was having an issue. Alright, so what I'm going to do, if it's perfect like that, I'm going to mark it. Mark the corner where it's supposed to be. That way I make it as easy as possible. How high? Oh, it's supposed to be. Okay. Alright, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the tags of the tape open and to the back, so that way when I have it set completely and set where I want it, I can just pull the plastic and it should lay in place for exactly where I want it. we go. Check that out. Just need to put a little coat of wax on it. Looks really good. It'll look even better with those new wheels. Maybe a little higher kick than what I was hoping for, but let's see if it grows on me. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I am giving away that Amazon Alexa show to one of the first 100 subscribers, so maybe you'll be the lucky one. Thank you guys again.